Hello students, today I am going to start a new chapter in mathematics, that is Introduction to Algebra. Now all of you know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, which you have done in arithmetic. And today we are going to start a new branch of mathematics, and that branch of mathematics is called algebra. Okay, suppose if I add a number with 5 and it becomes 7, then what is that number? Suppose one number is there and I have added 5 with it, and as a result I got 7. Now instead of this number I can draw a box here. So this box plus 5 equals to 7. Now just think what can be inside this box. If I take 1, 5 plus 1, 6, no, it is 7. If I take 2, 2 plus 5, yes, 7. That means inside this box it is 2. Say another example. 5 I have written and I have subtracted a number from it. A number. And after subtracting the number from 5, I got 2. What is that number? I can think like this: 5 minus 1 box equals to 2. Now you just think 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So here it is 2, not possible. So if it is 2, 5 minus 2 it will be 3. Again it is not true. If I take 3 here, 5 minus 3, yes, 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so in algebra, instead of drawing this type of boxes, we write some alphabet. Say I can write 5 minus x. Just because you don't know, you can assume, you can imagine, suppose this number is x. When you use this type of alphabets in mathematics, then actually it is algebra. Okay, now it is not mandatory that always you have to use x. If you want, you can write 5 minus k in Hindi alphabets. You can write 5 minus k equals to 2. If you want, you can write 5 minus alpha. This is one Greek alphabet, that is 2. All are correct. But generally, we prefer to use X or Y, Z, this type of English alphabets. Though no one can cross if you write K or Alpha or any alphabet of any language. Suppose this is Mr. Golu. In this pocket, there are 3 marbles suppose. In the other pocket, I don't know how many are there. But altogether, there are 9 marbles. So, in the first pocket, how many marbles are there? 3. In the second case, I don't know. I can draw a box for it, and altogether I know it is 9. And we have to find how many are there in this circle. Now I can write 3 plus x instead of this box. I can use this alphabet, which is equals to 9. If I consider x equal to 1, 3 plus 1, how much we are getting? 4. But I know in his pockets altogether there are 9 marbles, so it cannot be 1. If I take 2, 3 plus 2, it will be 5. It is also not possible. If I take next number, suppose 3, then 3 plus 3, it will be 6. So this is also not possible. Now suppose in this pocket there are 4 marbles. Then 3 plus 4 equals to 7. So it is also not true. If I take 3 plus 5, suppose in this pocket 5 marbles are there. Then 5 plus 3, 8. It is also not true. 3 plus 6. 6 plus 3, 9. And here we got this one and this one same. That means in the other pocket of Golu, there are 6 marbles. Okay. So here you can see in all these cases, I have written 3 only. But here various values I have taken. Various values. So that's why when I write 3 plus x, x is called variable. Why it is called variable? This x can take various values. We can consider 1, we can consider 2, we can consider 3, 4, 5. In this way, various values can be considered for x. That's why this x is called variable. You got a new term in mathematics which is called variable. But for this 3, no, always it is 3. We cannot change it. This type of values are called constant. I hope what is constant and what is variable, this concept is now clear. Now suppose one question is Rashmi is 5 years older than her brother. Find an expression for it. Okay, so suppose this is Rashmi, and this is her brother. Okay, now Rashmi is 5 years older than her brother. I don't know brother says. Since I don't know, I can write let brother's age be X years. Now brother's age is X years, and what about Rashmi? She is 5 years older than her brother. Therefore, Rashmi's age will be X plus 5. I hope this example is clear. So whenever in mathematics we use this type of variables, which are also known as unknowns, then we say this is another branch of mathematics, that is algebra. I hope the basic concept of algebra is now clear. In the next lecture, I am going to talk about algebraic expressions and power of variables. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care, and wait for the next video.